Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to enable or disable dark mode in Pixel 8 Pro device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll. Tap on the Display. Again scroll. Here you can see the dark theme option. Tap on it. Make sure to toggle on dark theme on your device. Here you can enable or disable dark theme option on your device. You can also set schedule to automatically turn on dark mode on your Pixel 8 Pro. Tap on a schedule. Now choose from turn on a custom time. Here you can enter the start time or end time you want to automatically enable dark mode. Again tap schedule. You can choose turn on from sunset to sunrise. To use this setting, make sure enable location on your Pixel device. So make sure location is turned on to use a sunset to sunrise on your device. In the last option you can see turn on at a bad time. So make sure select use dark theme on your device. It's quite easy to turn on or turn off the dark theme on your device. Now go back. You can also quickly enable or disable dark mode to swipe down the notification panel. Here you can see dark theme option. Tap on it to enable or disable the dark mode on your Pixel 8 Pro device. That's it. If you like it, share it.